Hey there you guys, it's Allison from Zitrev You, and today we're gonna be doing 13 minutes full body Pilates workout. So get your mat and let's get going. We're gonna start on our elbows and your legs are gonna go on a tabletop position, and then you're just gonna tap your toes to the floor, alternating your legs. After this, you're gonna do it with both legs. Okay, now let's go and do some crunch. You're just gonna interlace your fingers behind your head and let's go for 10 crunch. Okay, you're gonna stay on your crunch and you're gonna bring your legs back to a tabletop position, but this time your crunch is gonna go to a twist to the right. After the right, you're gonna go to the left. Great, you guys. Now let's move on to a single leg stretch. Great, you guys, let's move on to roll-ups. Try to keep your legs and your arms straight and really activate your abs when you're going up and when you're going down. We're gonna stay sitting up on our mat and we're just gonna go for a spine twist. We're gonna do 3 on each side. Great, back to the floor. We're gonna go for a shoulder bridge. You're just gonna round your glutes all the way up, bringing your hips up and then down. We're just gonna do 5 of these, and then at the end you're just gonna stay with your hips up. Great, keeping your hips up. Now bring your right leg to a tabletop position, and let's just tap the floor with our toes. And then if you want to increase the challenge, you can also use your arms. Bring your arms all the way to your ears when you bring your leg down. This also works the coordination as well as the strength and balance. Great, let's switch to the left and we're gonna do the same thing. And also if you want to challenge yourself, you can also use your arms. Now you're just gonna lower down your hips slowly and you're gonna straighten your legs on the floor. You're gonna bring your arms up all the way to the ceiling and you're just gonna do one roll up to stand up. And we are going to continue with butt exercise. So you're just gonna stay on one knee and you straighten the other leg. Doesn't really matter which one you picked, and we're just gonna bring up and down the leg that's straight. Just remember, in this position, also activate your glutes and your abs. Great, you're gonna keep your leg off the floor, and in this position, you're just gonna point and flex your foot. Now, your butt cheeks must be burning by now. Great, we're just gonna switch legs and we're gonna repeat the same thing. Keep your leg off the floor and now you just point and flex your foot. Awesome, we're almost done. We're gonna go to the floor facing down. We're gonna do some back extensions. You're gonna keep your arms beside you and you're gonna lift your chest off the floor, bringing your arms to a T position and then back down. You're gonna repeat this about 6 times. Okay, for this last one, you're just gonna interlace your fingers behind your neck and we're gonna continue lifting our back, but this time you're just gonna bring up your left leg and your upper back is gonna do a twist to the right. This is going to activate your femoral muscles, your butt cheeks, your upper and lower back. Okay, switch to the other side. You're bringing up your right leg this time and your upper back is going to do a twist to the left. arms in the same position. You're just gonna lift your back up and down. We're gonna do 10 of these and we're almost done. Okay, you guys, we're gonna go for a plank position. We're gonna do a couple of sequence here. We're just gonna try to go up and down with our arms. You're gonna start with the right arm. You're gonna do 5, and then you're gonna switch starting with the left. For this last one, we're gonna stay on our plank position. We're gonna hold it for 25 seconds because we can't go without working out the core. Awesome. You can go to a resting position. Just keep your head on the floor and straight your arms forward. This really is a relaxing position. Okay, so now we're just going to relax. We're gonna breathe in, trying to round or bring your belly button all the way up, and then exhale, really trying to make a curve with your spine. This is just to relax your body and just breathe, because you did a great job. Really try to breathe in and round your spine, and then exhale every time you open your chest. Okay, and this last time you're just gonna go back to a resting position for one last breath and just to relax. And thank you so much, you guys. We'll see you next Wednesday, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.